Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. Do you know CapCut has a new language switches feature? With this feature, it allows you to switch CapCut from English to a language that you may be more comfortable with. Let me show you how to do that. First, you want to make sure your CapCut is most up to date. And then, when you open the CapCut apps, click on the icon on the top right corner in here. Click in there, and then on the first one, you can see App Language, and then click on it. As you can see, here are some of the language that you can switch to on CapCut. I know it doesn't provide every language we know, but if you feel more comfortable with any of these language than English, then feel free to switch it. For example, let's say you are more comfortable with speaking Bahasa Indonesia, and then you want to click on it, click Bahasa, and then click on Done in App Store. And you can see it changed the CapCut language from English to Bahasa Indonesia now. And when you open the project, as you can see, the option menu at the bottom have also been changed to Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, however, the icons still remain the same. So that's how to can switch language on CapCut from English to a language that you might be more comfortable. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider like, subscribe, and comment down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.